Good evening, everyone. This is a continuation of the report. It is a traditional dish often served during special celebrations like weddings and Eid festivities. Taste and textures. Aromatic with very creamy, mildly spicy, slightly oily, and tender meat. First, we have pianggang manok. Pianggang manok is a chicken marinated in spices and grill. Then, simmered in burnt coconut paste. The dish is black in color. This dish has roots across Mindanao, including Maguindanao. Taste and textures. Smoky, slightly spicy, and rich with coconut flavor. Palapa is a spicy condiment made of finely chopped sakura, native scallions, ginger, chili, and coconut. It is a staple in Maguindanao. Chisen used to enhance the flavors of meats, rice, and stews. Palapa is an important culture symbol of the Maranao people and it is a common. Taste and textures. Spicy, pungent, and slightly sweet with chunky textures. Let's proceed to the product. First, we have inaol. Inaol, the traditional woven cloth of the Maguindanaon, used primarily for the malong, like tube or skirt. Or, as such, the inaol fabric not only serve practical purpose, but also holds cultural significance, often used in ceremonies and celebrations. Wood carving. Wood carving create intricate wood carving. Include household items and decorative pieces. A versatile ancient art form involved shaping wood into sculptures or decorations using tools like knives, chisels, and mallets. Next is metalworks. Metalworks is metal crafts including the production of the jewelry, decorative items, the brood craft, and industry of shaping metals to create useful and decorative objects. Next is tribal system of governance. Dato village known as Panglima or Kapitan. Roma Bichora, the Council of Elders. Sultanate, a system which is ruled by a sultan. Last is education. Facial muna, recognized Maguindanao masters, artist, dancer, and traditional musician, specifically kulintang instrument, holds 2 bachelor's degrees, a Bachelor of Art in Major Social Works 2000, and a Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in Music, Arts, Physical Education, and Health. 2011 from the Cotabato City State Polytechnic College. And last we have Nathan Wayne Aristod. He is the first alumnus of the Philippine Science High School Central Mindanao campus to be accepted and graduate from Yale University. He earned a dual degree in mathematics and physics, graduating cum laude. Dances. We have Sagayan, a dynamic war dance by Maguindanaon and Maranao warriors, featuring elaborate attire, shield, swords to symbolize bravery and war of evil spirits. It is a performed at festivals, weddings, and especially celebrations such as the Sagayan Festivals in Lanao del Norte. Next is Silong sa Ganding, a refined court dance that incorporates the use of gongs, showcasing the grace and beauty of Magindanaon women and symbolize community welcome. The dance is often performed ceremonies, weddings, and other festival celebrations. Kapa Malong Malong, a vibrant dance that showcases the versatility of the malong, a traditional piece of cloth used in various ways by the dancers. The dance shows the many way of wearing a malong, a simple tubular yet highly functional piece of cloth. And last is Pangalay, a tausug dance from the Sulu archipelago known for its intricate and graceful hand movements, often performed during weddings, festivals, and social gathering. The dance involves the movement of the shoulder, elbows, and wrist.